Hello, now we'll save this whole canvas. Okay, we will try and see if it stitches perfectly. I'll go to copy canvas, this is a trial. Go to copy canvas, it's copying the whole canvas. And place it on a canvas with a bigger size. At this step, let's say that you would like to make fabric measuring 1 meter by 1 meter. Then add a new canvas. Go to centimeters. You don't need to set it to 100 centimeters because it will be quite large. It will be too big for the iPad. So we will set only half of the size. Only half is more than enough. The important thing is the 300 dpi here, which is the resolution. And then check the color profile. It must be CMYK. When the setup is ready, click Create. Okay, now add the pattern that we've done earlier to the canvas. Go to Actions, the spanner icon, and choose Paste. Here it is. Now let's see if the pattern will perfectly combine. Move it to the top left corner. I'll shrink it to make the edge of the pattern picture in the middle. Make this size 1/4 of this canvas. The orange lines will show up if it is right in the middle. Okay, now duplicate our pattern layer. Duplicate it and move it to the right side. Let's see if the pattern is perfectly combined. Wow, the pattern is perfectly combined. So seamless. Okay, since these two layers are perfectly combined, I will merge them. Click Merge Down, then duplicate the layer again. Move this layer to the bottom. Okay. They are perfectly combined. You can't see where the seam is. Look, we can't see a seam anywhere. It's great. It's very easy. Now we've got the pattern on canvas size 50 by 50 centimeters. Or you can print it out as 1 meter, because the resolution is sufficient. Now we've got one fabric. Okay, when we've got the fabric like this, let's say we'll print this out. What kind of file should we share? Don't forget that before we compose the pattern on this canvas, we've already set up the color profile to be CMYK and 300 dpi. So we don't need to be worried about the resolution. All we need to do is just share the file. It can be JPEG, or it can be TIFF. The resolution of JPEG is quite good, it's standard. For a TIFF file, it will be a bit bigger. Or you can save it as a PDF. The printing house also accepts it. For this one, I will choose JPEG. Click Save. Wait for it to export, then you can choose to send the file via email. Or either save to files or save image. It's up to you, wherever you want. But I'm not sure if we save to the save image, the resolution will become reduced or not. To be safe, we should save to Google Drive. Or you can send via email, or save to files. Save to files is also quite safe. The image will not be compressed. So you can choose what you want to save. For me, I'll choose Save to Files. Select Save in the Procreate folder, then click Save. Let me check it. Select the Procreate folder. You will see the artwork in this folder here. Okay, we're done. How was it? It's the end of the process for the seamless pattern composing. It seems to be easy, but it can be confusing too. It depends on your experience. For pattern composition skills, you must keep practicing. In the beginning, you might not know how to compose it. You might compose the pattern too clustered or scattered too much. You must keep practicing. And another technique is that I've said earlier, if you don't know how to compose it, you put everything evenly. Let's say there's nothing around here. Think about it. What you haven't put here, and you can place the picture to make the pattern mix together. This way is the safest composition.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like or leave a comment and subscribe to my channel. As a thank you, loyal subscribers receive a 10% discount on my Procreate Tropical Pattern Mastery. Check the description for coupon code. See you in the next video.